A massive tornado outbreak may be unfolding tonight, and millions across the Deep South are now in the danger zone. The most explosive tornado setup of the year so far is targeting parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and even the Carolinas, with conditions rapidly turning volatile as powerful storms ignite through the evening and overnight hours. In today's update, we're tracking the newest high-resolution model data showing an alarming surge in tornado potential after sunset. Some forecast models are painting a dangerous corridor of rotating supercells capable of producing strong, long-track tornadoes, especially across southern Mississippi and Alabama. And when you start seeing deep red lighting up the tornado risk maps during peak severe weather season, that is a serious warning sign. The threat zone stretches from eastern Texas and Louisiana all the way into South Carolina, placing millions under a growing risk for destructive storms overnight. Areas including Laurel, Hattiesburg, Quitman, Waynesboro, Monroeville, Grove Hill, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and surrounding communities could face rapidly intensifying storms after dark, the most dangerous time for tornadoes. Meteorologists are especially concerned because the atmosphere is becoming primed with all the ingredients needed for a major severe weather event: explosive instability, rich Gulf moisture, intense wind shear, and strengthening rotation in the lower atmosphere. As evening approaches, storms are expected to evolve into powerful supercells, the same type of storms responsible for America's most violent tornadoes. Radar simulations are already showing classic hook-shaped storm structures, a major red flag that rotating thunderstorms may quickly develop. By 6 to 10 p.m., the tornado threat is expected to intensify dramatically across Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. Through midnight and even into 2 a.m., the atmosphere may remain highly unstable, allowing dangerous storms to continue tracking eastward through the Deep South, while many people are asleep. And the danger may not stop there. Strong to severe storms could push deep into Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina overnight into tomorrow morning. Cities near Greenville, Spartanburg, Charlotte, Columbia, Charleston, and even parts of the Florida Panhandle could see damaging winds, hail, torrential rain, and isolated tornadoes as the system races east. Forecasters say one small factor could slightly limit tornado development. Lower-level instability remains somewhat marginal in spots. But despite that possible fail mode, the overall environment still strongly favors severe weather and potentially strong tornadoes. This is not a routine storm setup. Many southern states have avoided major tornado outbreaks so far this season. But tonight may be a brutal reminder that Dixie Alley remains one of the most dangerous tornado regions in the world, especially after dark. Residents across the threat zone should keep phones fully charged, enable emergency weather alerts, identify safe shelter locations now, and be prepared to act immediately if warnings are issued overnight. Another round of severe weather could also develop later this weekend and early next week across parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, and the Midwest, though tonight's threat currently appears to be the most intense and widespread. Stay alert, stay weather aware, and do not underestimate overnight tornadoes. They are often the deadliest.